Hi, guys. Welcome back. Thank you to everybody who reached out to me about my dog. Well, I have some good news. We didn't have to put him down on Monday. By Sunday night, he started lifting his head on his own. And even Sunday night, that's what the video is. He got up by himself, which he wasn't doing before. He was just laying there. I was giving him fluids all week, and then by Wednesday, he started drinking on his own. And I'm happy to say it's a week now, and he's out running around. And this is him just about 10 minutes ago, just running around outside and marking the yard because he has to tell everybody that he's the biggest dog in the neighborhood. I don't know what was wrong with him, but he lives. We have a lot of things to do today because it's Monday, and I always have a lot on Monday. Let's start out with this week's hot ticket items. Mark art is still at $16.99. It's holding steady. Amazon Basics went from $25.34 last week to $24.73 this week. Deli Pencils is at $28.99. Delivery date is March 13th. You can order them now. Order them early because they sell out really quickly. So I don't want anybody who's been looking for them to be disappointed. They will go quick. Starjoy is at $29.99. That's holding steady. The Lyra Skin Toned Pencils are still at $18.26. The Coom, now come on, Amazon. The Coom pencil sharpener is at $6.57, up a penny. What do they think they're earning? Crayola Colors of the World. I told you should have gotten them. They went from $4.99. They are up to $12 now. That is the normal price. I have a feeling the $4.99 was a mistake. But hey, if you got in on that $4.99 deal, you were lucky. So it's up to $12, which is the actual price point for that. Cyper Tops. I haven't looked up Cyper Tops in a little while. They are a very good deal. While they are not the best quality pencil, they're not bad. And they're only it's a 72 set in a tin. And it was $13.99 and it's gone down to $12.99 this week. We have the Prismacolor 21 set, and that's still at $8. Oh no, the Prismacolor 21 set went down from $8.91. It's now $8.79. Well, it's better than going up by a penny. So that's still the hottest price on Amazon. If you have not taken advantage of this sale, I don't feel bad for you because $8 for Prismacolor pencils, even if you don't have them or even if you have them, it's still 20 Prismas at 30 cents a piece. Okay, Art and Fly is holding steady at $29.97. Quindeo, the vendor for the Brett Funner squares, is out of them. I don't know if they're getting them back in. A couple of hours ago, they had them on pre-sale. They go super quick. I mean, literally, they can be in an hour, they can be gone. They did replace the pencils with the 180 Brett Funners, and those are the round, but they're better because black barrels are better than the non-black barrels. The black barrels are slightly creamier. I have both sets, and I definitely enjoy coloring with the black barrels. So I'll leave that in the description. It's $39.99, but there's a coupon at checkout, and it's an extra 8% off. So I guess that's pretty good. And I'll keep my eye out for the squares. I know everybody's loving the squares. Prismacolor has gone down. The 150 set is now at $87.91. That is a great price. The lowest I've seen it is at $85. I think a couple of years ago I saw it at $82. But they're getting really down into closer and closer to the budget level prices. And remember, Prismacolor are light fast and they are a professional set. If you want to get your first professional set, this is the time to get it. So those are the hot pencil prices for the week. I will leave the links down in the description box below. Next, I cannot believe I found this. And probably everybody has seen this already. The Coloriage Wild books. Now there's 4 of them. It's from Emanuela Collin. They were never selling, or back when I bought them, they were not selling on Amazon. You had to buy them in Etsy, and it was very expensive. I paid close to $40 for this book back in the day when it first came out. Well, they put 4 of them, 4 different ones of her books. Number 3, I have 1 and 2 here. Number 3 and 4 are in Amazon. Let me see. I just bought number 4 because these, I'm going to show you exactly why. Wild 4 is on sale this week. If you do not buy them now, they will not be there unless they restock them. It's $25.38. There's only 5 left. Yes, 5. This book was really super expensive back in the day, and this is now on an Amazon choice. And it's coming in from the UK, but it's free shipping to the United States, so it may take a little bit to get to you. I think I bought it now, and it's coming in on March 22nd. But it's good that they're importing them now, and it's free shipping. When I bought these books, the shipping was like $19. It was ridiculous, but I needed to have these books. If you've never colored in one of the 4 books, the paper is fantastic. This is frameable, this paper. I think that's why it's so expensive. Her little girls are adorable. The only problem, and I'm going to say this very nicely because it did stop me from coloring it for my kids back in the day. Some of her pictures, this is not as bad. She puts little bugs on the kids. Now, okay, I wasn't into bugs, so this one is not as bad. Yeah, yes, it is. I don't know why she did that. But the 4th book that's on sale now, which I will do a flip through when I get it, the 4th book, it's been out for a long time. These books are not new. It's the one where the kids are with the animals, and the pictures are just so cute, and I cannot wait to get my hands on it. So you have like an animal with a kid making the same expression as the animal. So it's going to be a lot of fun to color. So I just wanted to show you that. The seller is Avenue Mandarin. I was surprised this week. One of my kids got this for me for Mother's Day as an early Mother's Day gift. And it's In Bloom by Rachel Reinhardt. This book is fantastic. It's only $16.49 on Amazon. It's a drawing book, and it teaches you very good step-by-step instructions on doing all flowers from around the world. You get a nice introduction, some warm-up lessons, floral anatomy, because that's very important. And then it goes through the world's flowers. And don't make me say the names of these flowers. I kill flowers. I have a black thumb. I recognize these. Urcaria, native to Mexico and Central America. The bromelaid. And I just thought this was so pretty. I love all art books. Not only coloring books. The dahlia, how to draw the dahlia. Coming up, we're going to be doing a lot with flowers. I drew them for you, but this is a great book to start getting you into doing your own original artwork. I have to look to see what other books she has, because if she has other subjects than flowers, this would be an amazing thing. The African violet, hibiscus, the calla lily, bird of paradise, aloe vera, protea. This looks like it would be hard to draw, but it she breaks it down really nicely. The Gerber daisy. These are all flowers I've had in my garden. I used to have a green thumb when I lived back in New York. Now that I'm in the desert, I kill my cactus. Some Asian flowers, the orchids. This looks like a hibiscus. Probably not. Marigold. I didn't know the marigold was from Asia. Crown of thorn. Begonia. These are all the flowers I had in my New York garden, which was totally lush. It was totally easy to manage. It would only take my gardener about 10 minutes. No. I love to garden. I really do. Just not here. The rose. Roses are incredibly easy to draw. And what I like about flowers, you can never screw a flower up. If you ever think about this, no two flowers are ever alike, so you can't screw them up. Because even if a leaf or a petal goes astray, who said it wasn't astray on the plant? You just go with it. They're fun to draw. Australia. That's this book. As I said, it has a 5-star review. I had it in my Amazon cart, and she beat me to it, which was nice. Eucalyptus. My family shares our Amazon account, so anything in my cart could be from any person. We don't really use wish lists. So I see everything that's coming into the house. So I was quite surprised when this showed up. Flower crown. Had a drawer of flower crown. You could put anything in the middle. And then it goes into coloring lessons on flowers. We're going to be doing a lot with flowers coming up very soon. I'm going in order of how I have the year planned, so it is coming up. And I have another exciting piece of news. I heard from Andy from Starjoy Pencils this week. He shipped out the cores for the new pencils. I've mentioned it before, but I'll mention it again. I'm helping him with his next set. I'm correlating the whole entire set. Actually, you guys are, because once the cores come and the cores are good, I'm going to put them up and have people help me pick the set, which I think is a really good idea because it'll give everybody a chance to say, oh, I need this color, as I show you the colors. And you could say, well, you know, my sets don't have this color, include this, or I love that color, include that. And I have some really great ideas about how I want it. I'm even helping him create the barrel. Now, he's a manufacturer. He's not getting them from somewhere. He's actually making these pencils. So we're going to do a 3.8 core. Yeah, it's at least 3.8, which is the same size as the Prismacolor. So that's in bloom, and that's my gossip for the week. But I still have just a little bit more. DJD got a hold of me this morning, trying to make me all jealous because he got the 500 pencil Felissimo set. Now, if you guys know what that is, it's from Japan. And these pencils are pencil porn. They're 500 square pencils. He's going to tell me all about it. He promised me every detail. I had one other person that I knew that had this set. This kind of like a gimmick that you buy into a subscription for them to come every month. Different sets of these full set. I really didn't buy into that, but now I heard you can get it's easier to get the whole set. And usually the pencils from Japan are really good quality. If you don't know who DJD is, he's got all the gossip. He's an artist. He shows up all the time in my comment section. And he's the one who gives me a lot of the really good gossip, like, because he's very involved with the artist scene because he's a professional artist. So he knows a lot of people in the manufacturing and they all talk pencils. So he gives me all the gossip, all the good gossip. So I completely trust him when it comes to him telling me about pencils. And I think I'm going to make the plunge if he likes it. While he was trying to make me all jealous, he did tell me a piece of really important stuff. Let me get it out. Caran d'Ache Luminesce. Okay, you're really going to make me say this. Anthraquinoid. Anthraquinoid. Pink. It's really pretty. And they discontinued the color. It's a really nice pink. I'll show it to you on the screen. It's a floral color, and it's a really good color for making rose gold. Want to grab one before it's completely gone, you can get it over at Blick's Art, and they have it in their singles for the Luminesce. So that's my gossip for the week and my hot pencils, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.